Swaminarayan. Myself Kumudini Nilaude, Atmi Green School, Standard 5th, subject Maths. So we are doing ascending order, right? So I think we have completed the second one. So let's see the next. 0.932, 2.93, 0.342, 0.839, 9.83. Now, first of all, we have to convert into like decimals. Okay, so 0.932, 2.930, 0.342, 0.839, 9.380. Okay, we have converted, and how to convert I think everyone know now. Okay, so compare this, which is the smallest one. So first of all we have to compare the whole numbers right now. So these 1, 2 and 3 are the smaller ones. So which is the smallest? 0.342. Okay, next 0.839, next 0.932, next 2.930, and last one 9.380. Understand? Okay, now next 0.002, 0.02, 0.2 and 2.0. Okay, what is our first step? We have to convert into like decimal. So let's start. 0.002, we have to add 1 0 here, that is 0.020, 0.200. Okay, then next 2.000. Get it? Now ascending order 0.002, 0.20, 0.200 and 2.00. Okay, now we have seen the ascending order. So let's start about the descending order. 11.201, 1.201, 12.01, 2.11. Okay, what is our first step? Convert into like decimals. 11.201, then next 1.201. Oh, ma'am has not converted. So why? Because both have three decimal numbers, na? So keep it as this. Okay, 12.01 we have to give here 0. 2.11 give 0 here. Now these are the three numbers, three na? Okay, three decimal numbers. Now start. Which is the greatest one? 12.0, 12.010. Okay, fine. It was I have done in ascending order, so it is wrong. So please arrange in descending order, that is 12.010, then 11.201, then take 2.110, and last one 1.201. Okay, take descending order. This is ascending order. Listen carefully, this is ascending order. Right, first 12.010, then 11.201, then 2.110, then 1.201. Okay, understand everyone? Okay, I will start the next one. 48.34, 8.34, 84.43, 0.844. So let's start. 48.34 we have to add 1 0. 8.34 0, 84.43 0, and 0.844. Okay, now descending order. Ma'am has done here ascending order, so please correct it. Okay, you have to write first 84.430, 48.340, 8.340, and last 0.844. I have done wrong, so I'm sorry. Okay, it was done by mistake. Okay, third one. 30.08, 8.03, 300.8, 8.003. Okay, convert into like decimal. So see here, it is we have to convert in 3 digits number, right? 30.080, then 8.30, 300.800, 8 point sorry sorry 8.003. Now ma'am has not done any mistake. It is absolutely right because 300 is the greatest number. So 300.800, then 30.080, next 8.030 and 8.003. Get it? It is the descending order, right now? So let's start the fourth one. 58.7, 8.75, 7.85, 50.78. Okay, so first of all we have to convert into like decimal. 58.7, so it is 58.70. 8.75, 8.75. 7.85, okay, then 50.78. Get it everyone? So all are already like decimals. Let's start converting. Which is the largest one? 58.70, 58.70, then 50.78, then 8.75, and then 7.85. Understand everyone? So may I start next topic? Okay. Fine. It is the exercise 5.5. Arrange in descending order. So first of all we have to convert it into like decimal. So see here 11.201, 1.201, 12.010, 2.110. So we have converted into like decimals. So first of all what we have to do? We have to take largest number. Which is the largest number? 12.010. So here 12.010. Then next 11.201. Next 2.110 and last 1.201. Get it? So next 48.34, 8.34, 84.43, 0.844. Okay, so let's convert. 48.34, 48.340, then 8.340, 84.430 and 0.844. Which is the largest one? 84. So let's take it. 84.430. Next 48.340. Next 8.340 and last 0.844. Okay, now next one. See here 30.80, 30.08, 8.03, 300.8, 8.30, 8.003. So first we convert into like decimal. 30.8, 30.080, 8.030, 300.800, 8.003. Now all are the like decimals. So which is the largest one? 300, 300.8. Then next 30.808, 30.080. Okay, next 8.030, 8.003. Get it? It is descending order, so we have to write the greatest number first. Then this one. So already these are the like decimals except the first one. So we will convert it 58.70. Now all are the like decimals. So 58.70, 8.75, 7.85 and 50.78. So which is the largest one? 58.70. Next 50.78. Next 8.75 and the last 7.85. Now we will see the sixth one. 21.111, 21.121, 21.212, 22.111. So all are like decimals. Now Tell me which is the last